Hi everyone. I'm going to go over the things that will be needed for the Blockster or poster and those who have chosen a presentation. Um, in this we will cover we'll cover the rubric, the documents that will be needed as a final product. And as you see here, we're going to do the brainstorm. A brainstorm paper will be uh, required, an outline of the thesis and quotes, peer evaluation form, and final draft of project. So now that we have finished reading To Kill a Mockingbird, it is time to analyze the novel and its connection to the unit's focus of compassion. Throughout the novel, we have witnessed various scenarios that call into question the character's morality. In this project, it is your job to analyze the character you were assigned and decide if this character acted compassionately, needed compassion, or acted without compassion. Develop a thesis that explains your opinion on the question and find quotes that demonstrate why you chose that stance on the question presented. Your project should include analysis of the quotes and explain their relevance to the argument. You have been divided into groups based on your preferred project style. Through these different mediums, you must present your argument, or thesis, quotes, and analysis. These projects will be viewed by your classmates to help provide a full understanding of your character and the novel of our class discussion of To Kill a Mockingbird in a few classes. So now we will go into more detail of what is required. When I have said the brainstorm paper is the outline of the thesis and quotes, the peer evaluation form, and final draft. So for the brainstorm paper, any paper that shows your group's ideas, that could be the papers you provide or scrap paper you use to generate your note or ideas. The outline of the thesis and quotes, this should show not only the content you plan on using, but also the outline of how you plan to present the information. This applies more specifically to the projects that are not essays, and this would include you guys. We want to see how you plan on grouping the information and to make sure you will be covering all the areas needed in your project. This will be collected on the first day of the project, and please submit a second copy showing any changes that occurred over the creation process. Please specify who worked on which section. Peer evaluation form. At the conclusion of the project, please fill out the peer evaluation form about your group members and be honest. This will affect the collaboration section of your rubric. I will also show you, actually I'll do it right now, the peer evaluation form, which is this one. So each group member's name will be written on the top here. You will give them a scale of 1 to 4, 1 being the strongest and 4 being, sorry, 1 you strongly disagree and 4 you strongly agree. And here are the questions. And you just number them and then total number. This will give us an idea of how much work each person has done. So the final draft or project for this doesn't apply to you guys because you guys are not spending the final script. So just ignore that part. These are extra things that we suggest that you look over, you incorporate in your papers, or in your presentation. Use proper MLA format or in-text citations, bibliography, or picture citation. We also strongly recommend that you do grammar checks since that is part of the rubric that I will cover later on here. There should be proper grammar, and that's something you should look for. You can use these websites and resources to double check your work. And these are some tools that you can use, but these are not the only ones. If you guys are more comfortable with other programs, then you guys can do that as well. You can use those, but these are just ideas that you guys can use. You can use Google products that would include Google Slides or Google, Google Google Docs. You can also use just PowerPoint, Prezi, PictoChart, and for the Glockster or the posters, you guys can use the Glockster program, PictoChart, Google products, or Office products. Like we said, this isn't all you have to use, but these are just recommendations and suggestions. If during this time, while you guys are creating or deciding on a program, and you guys stumble on, say, Prezi or something, don't be afraid of coming to one of us and asking us how to use the program. We will help you navigate the program so that your presentations will represent your hard work and your knowledge of the book and what you're supposed to present. Now we're going to go to the rubric. I'm not going to go in great detail as you can see it, but we are looking for content, creativity, citations, collaboration, presentation, and grammar is important, so please double check your work in the grammar and use proper Emory format. It's good to have that practice and know where you guys are with citations. That way we have an idea of where you guys are with citations and if these resources are not really helping you in depth, then um, we can explain it to you guys in more detail. That is pretty much it. And if you guys need any help with deciding if your character acted passionately or needed compassion or acted without compassion, can ask us or if there's some hint, but really I think overall you guys can handle this as a group and just discuss your own point of views and come to an agreement as a group to present this project at your best knowledge. So I know you did great and can't wait to see your final product. Bye. Para la última cosa es a los estudiantes que no entendieron esto en inglés, me pueden preguntar después de la clase o pueden venir hacia mí a preguntarme lo que la presentación es. Y también voy a prohibir otra presentación en donde yo voy a explicar todo esto en español y así o si tienen preguntas del proyecto o hay un problema con comunicación con otros estudiantes que hablan en inglés, me pueden preguntar a mí, les voy a enseñar otros programas que ayudan con explicando esto de inglés a español. Pero sí, si tienen preguntas, por favor pregúntenme y vengan hacia mí después de clase o mándenme un mensaje y yo les ayudo con lo que me necesiten. Gracias.